In the package you will receive a manual, one wrench, 3 Allen keys, small, medium and large, a plastic bag of spare accessories, 2 wheels attached to metal shafts, and the wheelchair main frame. Now you are ready to assemble your dog wheelchair. First, make sure you hold the main frame with the red arrow pointing up. Then put the metal wheel shaft into the underside of the main frame so that the wheel is pointing outwards. Count the holes to make sure both wheels are at the same height. You can adjust this according to your dog's size. Next, use the largest Allen key to tighten both the bolts. Make sure you tighten both bolts. Then use the wrench to tighten the nuts. Don't forget to tighten both. Turn it around and insert the second wheel shaft into the main frame. Make sure to count the number of holes so that both wheels are at the same height. Again, first tighten the bolts with the large Allen key. Make sure it's tight. Put the black hats on the ends of the metal shafts to avoid injuring your dog. At the top of the main frame, you can use the small Allen key to adjust the size of the leg harness. Remember to tighten it back again. To adjust the length of the main frame, use the small Allen key to loosen the bottom headless bolt. Then adjust it to the right length. Make sure both sides are the same length. Tighten the headless bolt back again so it doesn't move. To adjust the width of the main frame, first remove the feet harnesses by unscrewing the nuts and bolts. Then use the medium Allen key to unscrew both these bolts. Now you can adjust the width of the frame to the size of your dog. After you have adjusted it, tighten the bolts again and put the leg harnesses back in. Now it's ready to put on your dog.